Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. I wanted to show you a few things I picked up lately. And the first one is this pumpkin. Look how cute it is. I cannot believe I found this at the dollar store. And look what else I found at the dollar store. Another cute pumpkin. And guess what else I found? Another cute pumpkin. And if you're wondering, well, my Dollar Tree doesn't have that. Yes, they do. I made these, and I'm going to show you how you can get these cute pumpkins too. So let's jump into it. What you are going to need for this DIY are 3 of those hideous pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, some paint, and a few stickers. The paint I'm using is acrylic paint, but I would highly suggest spray painting these pumpkins because the acrylic paint didn't stick very well. I painted 2 of my pumpkins black and 1 gray, but you are welcome to choose whatever color you would like. Now I took some gold paint and I'm painting the stems gold. One thing I did notice with these stems and the styrofoam pumpkins altogether, the paint works best when you dab it on. I will say also that I wish I would have put white under this gold so the gold showed up better. The green kind of showed through even though I did a few coats. You could also Mod Podge and glitter over this. It would be so cute. I just didn't have any. So there's an idea for you also. I'm taking this word fall, but you could use whatever word you wanted. And I'm going to stick this on my pumpkin. I did cut this out on my silhouette. It is a gold glitter vinyl, but I know Hobby Lobby, Michaels, and Walmart carry stuff like this, and even sometimes the Dollar Tree. You just have to check and see if they have it at the time you need it. Once this is completely placed by hand, I'm going to take some cute little fall leaves and embellish right around this word. And I used a lot of them because I wanted it to look really full. Once you have all of that completely on your pumpkin, you are finished. I believe this pumpkin, when it's all done, looks like you could pay $10 to $20, even maybe more than that, at TJ Maxx or HomeGoods. I love how this one turned out. For this next pumpkin, I'm taking a black pumpkin and I'm going to take these little strips. I created them on my silhouette, but you could use those round garage door stickers and cut them in fourths, or you could get a whole sheet of vinyl at your local craft store and use those scrapbook punchers that have designs and freehand it and completely make it your own. I'm starting at the stem and then dragging it down the rims of the pumpkin, the little indents that you see. I found that the stickers lay a lot better in those and it just lays more flush. Once that is all complete, I will go in and push the stickers into the pumpkin so they stick really well, and then I'll add my stem and that is it. That is an easy, super cute pumpkin that does not look like you got it from the dollar store. So there you go. There's the finished product. I wanted a studded pumpkin this year, but I didn't want to pay a ton of money. So I painted this pumpkin gray, and I'm taking thumbtacks and I'm pushing them into my gray pumpkin. I'm using a lot of them because I want it to look really full and really nicely done, but you can stick as many as you want in there until your heart is content. Once I have all of my thumbtacks in and I think it looks good, I'm going to stick my stem in. I would suggest gluing the stems in because they work better and lay flush on top of the pumpkin. And once your stem is placed, that is it. That is your final pumpkin. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you like DIYs, I will link another fall DIY at the end of this video. Go ahead and click it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.